Okay, so different kind of video today. I don't know how to drive manual at all. So I learned a little bit a couple years ago, but that's all I really got. And basically, I also have a 53 Bel Air that I'm ready to use. I figured that there's a really great car for me to learn manual on, you know, something that's really easy, really to the point. So yeah. I'm going to be learning manual on a 1953 Chevy Bel Air. For all you guys that know manual out there, this is going to be pretty painful to watch, so yeah. Just so you know, the only experience I have with manual is Forza. So, alright, so right here, as you can see, here's the car. It's a 1953 Chevy Bel Air, 3-speed manual transmission. I've driven it once, that was a couple years ago, and I still have no idea how to do manual. I've never done it by myself. So, this should be a pretty fun video.
Oh yeah, it's waist seatbelts. It's hot. Yeah, we get the fat man steering wheel, the shift knob. Yeah, let's get started. There we go. Alright. So I had a couple small lessons from my mom and my dad, but this is the first time I'm going to be going solo, and there are no power brakes, there's no power steering, just this giant steering wheel, and a lot of muscle turning. There's a lot of play in this thing. Neutral. Alright. Car's on. I'm nervous. Okay. It's in. First. Stalled it. Let's try that again. I think I let off the clutch a little too slow. Hello, neighbor. He has no idea I can't drive manual. Alright, let's do this. Alright, first. Stalled it. Can I do this? Alright. First, let's do this. I was doing this yesterday. I was able to get started. I left the handbrake on. There we go. Handbrake's off. Alright. Neutral. Start. All fired up. Alright. Now we're starting. Okay. started it. You guys can't see it. The steering wheel's like a foot in diameter. Okay, yeah, radius is halfway across. Circumference. Okay, yeah, diameter. That's what I meant. So I have no tachometer. I have no, like, nothing showing me exactly which gear's which. I had to find it and feel it out myself. So, yeah. I'm a car that's 70 years old, at least. The tire squeal. So I fixed the trunk, mostly. Mainly I tied the trunk down with some string and put a little covering under it, that way it's not slamming the whole time. And so yeah, let's give this another go. Please trunk don't slam. Come on. Ooh, a squirrel. Should downshift. Nope. Too high. I don't know how to downshift. I'm going 0 miles an hour. All the old men are coming out of the woodwork. I gotta remember to brake with that clutch. Bang, life could be a dream. See, John, you're getting the hang of it. Alright, skirt. Just this indicator. Stick. Okay, I don't have an indicator. Still getting used to it. Mom saying hi. Still don't know how to downshift. Why is my mother following me? Why are you following me, mother? Come on. Shoot. Alright, thank you, mother. Well, she's just saying how good I was, and now I bet you when I start, it's gonna look all bad. I knew it as soon as she started watching. That's when I was gonna stall out. I knew it. Stop trying to get in the video, go. And come to full stop. So yeah, that's about it. It's hot and I just really want to make a video of like me trying to learn stick because I figured it'd be funny. So yeah, there it is. Let's get you guys in the next one.